Whoa, 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 Ryan, what are you doing?
Put media in?
Media doesn't go inside the machine when you have a reclaimer.
Oh.
The media comes around here to the side, goes in the reclaimer. Any dry blast machine with a reclaimer, the media goes inside the reclaimer. Now, if you don't have a reclaimer, it would go inside the machine. But with the reclaimer, which we recommend you have on all of our machines, you put the media in there. One other thing you can check is if you have the dust collector, which again, we recommend a dust collector with every system, is you check inside and make sure that it's not filled up on the inside. Oh, and make sure that your filter is actually clean. A little bit of dust in there, but not much. So we're still good to go. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.